In the following movie, we will introduce to you our revolutionary product. Thanks to our auto-regulated greenhouse, no more watering, no more manual ventilation and burn leaves of plants. Everything is checked and regulated by our system. As it has just been mentioned, our system regulates the greenhouse according to 3 axes. The temperature, the luminosity, and the ground moisture are auto-regulated to give you the best vegetables. Our system could be completely solved with a new greenhouse structure or could be adapted to your current greenhouse in your garden. All of the parameters can be adjusted according to the vegetables varieties you cultivate. Each parameter is showed on a LCD screen in real time to allow you to check all of these factors. Moreover, you can also operate all of the actuators thanks to a manual mode which is implemented on the present general command box. Now, let us show you all of the components of our auto-regulated greenhouse. As you can see, we engage the automatic mode. Thanks to the present empty glass, we simulate a ground very dry for the vegetables. This is the reason why the pump provides a water flow as it showed. The water level is increasing, and when the sensor detects a sufficient humidity rate, the pump stops. In reality, much more moisture sensors are placed in the greenhouse ground. It permits to get a moisture rate average all along the cultivated area. Now, we simulate the temperature increasing inside of the greenhouse thanks to an air dryer. As it is showed, the temperature in the greenhouse is too high for the vegetables growing. As a result, we ventilate the building with fresh air while opening windows. This sensor can also evaluate the air humidity. Thus, the window's opening is also useful for the regulating of its factor when its value is too high. For the last parameter, we simulate a very sunny day. Aggressive rays could damage the plant's leaves. The present greenhouse can prevent from it, thanks to blind stores. On the model, we simulate the action of blind stores with the red part which blocks the sun rays on the sensor. Obviously, the windows can stay open when the blind stores are in downward position. When the sun rays are no more dangerous for the plants and for the vegetables, we command the unrolling of blind stores, as you have just seen. As the moisture regulation, several luminosity sensors are installed in order to avoid the command of the blind stores when only one cloud is passing above the structure. Now, as the inside temperature has decreased, the servomotor closes the windows as it appears. As it was previously mentioned, our greenhouse has a manual mode to be able to command all of the actuators at any time. In this section, we will show you the working of this mode. So, we firstly engage the manual mode with the switch button, as you can see. As it appears, we can engage the blind stores at any time with this mode. The goal of this feature is to avoid the automatic closing when you are cleaning the window panes on the rooftop. The windows can also be operated thanks to the manual mode. This feature has been implanted on our product in order to avoid the windows opening when no vegetables are cultivated in the greenhouse. Finally, the water flow out of the pump can be manually regulated with a potentiometer on the command box. This function has been plugged on the present product in case of problem with the moisture sensors. The manual mode can ensure the hydratation of the ground even if the sensors are defective. Although our project is almost ended, we need donation to be able to continue its improvement. Indeed, we want that our project can be marketed on a large scale. To conclude this movie, let us summarize the main features of our auto-regulated greenhouse project. It is adaptable to a large range of existing greenhouses. It has an automatic and manual mode. It will be endowed with an easy interface to allow the user to adjust the parameters as he sees fit. It is easy to install and to operate. And finally, the culture of all kinds of fruit and vegetables will be much more optimal. Moreover, this project is not very expensive. Its cost was only about €80. That's all for our presentation. By hoping to have interested in you, we wish you a nice day. Thanks for watching.